what language you are, or what, like, part, or whatever the language you are. I'm English, so what you want to do is click next. I have read the Ender user license agreement and privacy policy and agree to their terms. Click next. Don't change anything. I would prefer creating a shortcut on the desktop just because it's easier. Then what you want to do is install. Since this will take a little bit, I'll meet you back here once it's done. Alright? See ya. Alright guys, here we are where we left off. Now it is completed. What you would do is hit finish. Don't open up the Vegas Pro 11.0 or whatever. What you want to do, you should download the keygen. It will be linked in the description as a MediaFire link or a Mega Upload link. Once you got it on your desktop, you will need WinRAR to extract it. So I will also put a link for that in the description also. Once you extracted the keygen WinRAR file, you shall get this file right here. What you want to do is open it up, and it should have this right here, this keygen little application. What you want to do is, if you're using Windows or Vista, right click and run as administrator, then hit yes. For all the other laptops or what are they called, providers, you do not have to do that. All you have to do is open it up, and let me turn down this volume so you can hear me. Alright, now what you want to do here is, whatever you want, this has a whole list of Vegas or Sony products, and this is also the updated version keygen, so it mostly has all the products they have on the market. So what you want to do is go to Vegas Pro 11.0 64-bit, or if you download the 32-bit, use the 32-bit. But since I'm using 64, obviously I'm going to use 64. So what you want to do, I like generating it a few times before. It won't hurt to try. Then what you want to do is click patch. Now you want to go up to your hard drive, or what's it called? Never mind that. What you want to do is go down to your program files, x86, or some of you might have it just in your program files. What you want to do is open up the program files, go down to where it says Sony, open that up. Oops, sorry folks. I have in program files, stupid me. What you want to do is go down to Sony and click on Vegas Pro 11, then click OK. That should start patching it. Alright, now the file has been patched successfully. Click OK. Now what you want to do is open up the Vegas Pro 11 64-bit or 32-bit. It should bring up a screen like this. What you want to do is click Next. Click Yes. And a screen like this should pop up. What you want to do is take the serial from the keygen hit Control C to copy, or you can right click and click copy, and come over here and hit Control V or hit paste. Now what you want to do is click next. Now right here it will say if you have access to internet, registration is quick and easy. You don't want to register online because it won't work at all. What you want to do is register from another computer, and what you want to do is click next. Then right here just click next and write down any of your info that you want. I don't really mind you guys looking at my information. Then what you want to do is come down here and click on this one, the bottom box, and hit next. Then right here it will say register Vegas Pro, save it to my documents or wherever you want to save it. It says I already have one because I've already downloaded it. I just uninstalled it so I could show you guys. What you would do, you just gotta overlap it. Click next. Now this is where your authentication code will be placed from your keygen. What you would do is do the same thing as the serial number, highlight it all, hit Control C, or just hit copy, and come over here, hit Control V, or you could just paste it, whichever one you prefer. Then what you would do is hit finish, and there you go. It should start working now. I'll keep it up until it loads up so you guys can see that I'm not lying to you and it actually does work. So just hold on one moment and let it load. Alright, as you can see, it works just fine. It has all your things over here. I have no idea. I forget. I don't really use these over here. It has all your video effects, what